Here's one of them. Gonna hang this fluorescent light. It's just a cheap Home Depot one. I have two. I'll be hanging one in the other shop and hanging one in this shop. What I'm gonna use is 2 chains, 4 zip ties. Mount them right through there. Zip tie. Loop another zip tie through the chain, and then hang it. See if I can get you in camera here. Up there where the old one was. There's a couple brackets up there that makes it perfect to clamp onto. So this shop light is only temporary up there. I decided I'm going to. I have 2 of these angle brackets. One to go to there, and one to go there, and then we'll hang that light off the edge of that. That should give me all the light I need right here in this area. The table saw, well, we'll work on light for that one later. Alright, there's part 2 of the frame for the light to hang on. Okay, pretty bright LED. Should make things a lot easier to see now.